Greetings, everyone. Greetings, lovers of freedom. My name is MAP Eziokubundo 1, and I want you to relax and watch this video to the end. While you are watching, I want you to bring your pen and paper so that you will be jotting the lies and the blackmails coming from chinasa and nwaoru, while we are going to unmask all the lies and the evil propaganda against Biafra restoration. In this particular video, this broadcast was made by chinasa and nwaoru, where he lied and confessed the reason why he is against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, in this video, chinasa and nwaoru said that IPOB shouldn't go for Biafra recognition. In other words, IPOB shouldn't go for Biafra restoration. That they should continue going for asylum seeking for documents in order to reside in Europe, in Asia, in Israel, instead of fighting for their freedom. And here he said it that the reason why he is angered against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is that when he and the ex-members of the DOX went to Israel to go and do a diplomatic work for asylum, not for Biafra restoration, for asylum, so that Israel will be granting Biafrans asylum, so that they will use that to be embezzling the money in the name of freedom fighting. That when the news come to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said no, that we shouldn't go for asylum, that we should go for recognition and Biafra restoration. And because of that, chinasa and nwaoru started attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In this video, chinasa and nwaoru stated it that he was the one appointing coordinators. Meanwhile, they will come and tell us that it's Chike Doziem. In his word, he said, the coordinator I appointed, the same way he appointed the dwarf in Italy, Kekoda. In other words, chinasa and nwaoru is the one in charge of the Igwebike assemblies of a social media club. I don't want to say much. I want you to relax and listen to what chinasa and nwaoru said here, so that all of us will understand it. So that whenever I tell you something, you know that I don't carry false propaganda. I carry the authentic and verified news. As they play, they show you the evidences. Now, listen to chinasa and nwaoru attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for going for a referendum and the international recognition of Biafra freedom. Pay attention. I'm not the one making up the story. Let's go there.
As they are making move going, this woman was also in part of the meeting. As they are making Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, immediately he was sent to Sokoto. Pam, 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 pam. Some people don't control their, I told them, there are things, if you are doing, keep it below the radar. Because of we are fighting a very serious battle. But some people are stubborn. Some people, because they have connection or they can speak to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they can do anything. You see them, they start posting it on social media. Suddenly, communication start going to them. They have gotten Biafra. People start contacting them. This Kalonta start to call the woman. Even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Sokoto prison start calling the woman.
Are you paying attention? Mazi from Sokoto prison start calling
her and told her, don't ever have anything to do with chinasa. Don't ever. Kalonta called the woman and told the coordinator I put, tell him from today he should, because they just saw they have made a move. You see,
do you hear that? Kalonta called a coordinator that I put, not a coordinator that Chike Doziem put, not an IPOB coordinator, a coordinator that he, chinasa and nwaoru, put. Now, those of you who are still delusional, ask yourself, when did the chinasa and nwaoru start putting coordinators? Now, when you see these coordinators telling you that they stand with the ex-DOS, know that their loyalty goes to the person who appointed them, as immediately they remove the right people that are appointed by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It comes out from the horse's mouth. Now, you see the reason why most of the people are telling you they are loyal to Chike Doziewu.
from today, he should block Chinasa. He should never report to me. Anything that he wants, he can come to him. I was like, what the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? When this project was going on, this woman, it is the DOS members, they say they're supposed to go because they went there and the country asks about the DOS members. They know about Chike Doziem.
That was before the expulsion of Chike Doziem. Immediately Chike Doziem was expelled, the country now requested for new people, which Mazi Solomon Abu, Canon Takano, and the rest that was appointed, which we saw the video in the past few weeks, make waves. So immediately was expelled. Mazi replaced them immediately. So before their expulsion, yes, Chike Doziem's name was still be parading as head of the Directorate of State until he was expelled. But let us be going so that he will know if they go there for Biafra restoration or for asylum, and if IPOB is fighting for asylum or for Biafra restoration.
I don't want to go deep on other things. Now, they were preparing that if this case is going, some members of the DOS will go to make the presentation for the asylum case for IPOB.
Do you hear that? They are not a country invite you that is fighting for freedom instead of you to go there to present your case as a freedom fighting movement requesting for recognition of your country and how your people will be totally free. You want to go there to start preparing for asylum so that your diplomatic work is for asylum for Biafra. So chinasa nwaoru is telling us that he consort die for Biafra in order for him to seek asylum. That the 28 people that died in Faruki died for them to seek asylum. That head bridge on the Massacre is for asylum. That CKC is for asylum for people that are in diaspora. Chinasa is telling us now that all the people that are in DSS dungeon, in Nigerian Wawa Barrack, and the rest in prison, different prisons, all these people are there for asylum. So when they tell you that they are going for diplomatic move, they are going there to go and seek for a grant for asylum for their imbecile, like the one that is here in Italy. Once they got the asylum, they will start attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let us be listening. This video will review a lot of truth. Pay attention.
This woman is there. I'm not lying against her. They say they need members of the DOS. I said, when the time comes, the DOS have already appointed people who will go for that subject. Suddenly, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started speaking to her, they told her, don't talk with Chinasa. They start their blackmail, their brothers, they start. I look at them, I say, they started. The woman go gaga. The woman, now, if I make any post, the woman want to find a fault in anything I post. I send something out, they say that I am attacking Israel.
Of course, you are attacking Israel. We know all those ones.
They said, even, I become, every post, you write something that is happening, the truth, what is happening for people to be aware. Normal things, they bully that I'm attacking, I hate this, I tell them, it's for the interest of my own people. Everybody fights for the interest of their people. I want our people, I'm not attacking them. And I want to know, how am I attacking them? They can't tell you anything. Their leader, they said I am Arab, I am this, but he's answering Supreme. Knowing quite well Supreme is associated with Iran. Knowing quite well Supreme is associated with North Korea. Supreme, anything Supreme. If you call Supreme, you are talking about Iran.
Is that not funny? When I told you people that the like of Chinasa nwaoru are stark illiterate, born fools, many of you without it. So when you talk about Supreme, you talk about Iran. Can you see how foolish these people are? Instead of him to make research the meaning of Supreme, he will say no. because Iran has a supreme leader. That is what Chinasa is telling you, that his supreme now referred to Arab. Can you listen to the bullshit this man is saying with his smelling mouth? But that is not why we are here, because he's trying to confuse his gullible bingos. Let us be going so that you people will understand the actions and steps taken by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
And the Western world don't look somebody with a clear eye when they see
Wow.
this title of supreme.
Mm-hmm.
People don't understand all these things. I told them there are things we cannot make. Hoping that Israel will do this for you, do that for you. You are lying to our people. Let our people.
But you say that you people have appointed DOS members that will go to Israel to go and represent a case. Since Israel cannot do it, why do you people still appoint people that will go to Israel? Okay, because they change you people, and the Israel welcome the new people Mazi Nnamdi Kanu selected to represent IPOB. So all of a sudden, the same Israel who you want to select your people to go for a asylum seeking recognition can no longer do that, because you people have been chased out. I thought you said that the letter Mazi wrote to many countries that they didn't recognize it. How come Israel now welcome the new people that Mazi selected and they abandon you people? Oh, truth is coming out one after the other.
People get asylum status first.
Asylum
The
status,
moment you
Mr.
start
Asylum.
contacting them, they tell them the whole thing scatter. He said they should not, even the president, he said they should remove asylum for our people. If you go to what the woman wrote,
Correct.
that is not the major, that was not the objective of starting what we started there. It was not the objective. I said, why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be lying? He said, Johnny, he started, what is happening in Israel is something he started. In 2019, you didn't initiate anything.
In 2019, Mazi didn't initiate anything. And in 2026, the team Mazi selected under 100 men have achieved the result. So let us be listening. Mazi didn't initiate anything, but Israel invited him. He made a broadcast on Israel National TV, and he didn't initiate anything. And tomorrow, this bingo will tell you that he is not a liar. Let us be listening to the son of a slave, nwaoru.
thing that is happening started in October last year.
Okay, this thing that is happening started in October last year. That was when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appointed the 100 men. The moment Mazi appointed that 100 men, he asked them to start their job. You see it, and most of you were asking, where is the 100 men? But you are seeing their result. Now it is now done on you that the 100 men is working and the result is coming out. Let us be listening to the liar Mohammed Abbas, aka Chinasa nwaoru.
Mazi, a lot of things happened. Last year, early last year, 2025, or ending 2024, I was called. Is it by Castro Nkume? He called me, told me that this woman asked that there is an apartment owned by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Israel.
Underline the word. There is an apartment owned by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What did you hear? There is an apartment owned. Do you know the meaning of ownership? When you own something, it means that you bought it. It is your own, because you cannot own apartment that you rented. But to tell you that this man is a bloody liar, let us listen to him.
We need to pay the apartment. I said, how? I said, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not living in Israel. He left Israel since 2019. I said, who has been paying for the apartment? They say that.
You hear that? So the apartment Mazi Nnamdi Kanu owned, you want to be paying. Oh, Abi Mazi that is not living, how did he bought the apartment? That will be the part 2 of this video. So stay tuned, because we are going to naked Chinasa nwaoru. We are going to pieces him and bring out all the lies, so that you people will be emancipated from your brain, because Chinasa nwaoru has caused a lot of damage. He is a liar. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu instructed that IPOB is a freedom fighting movement, not asylum seeking movement. We are not seeking asylum, and you are not laying a foundation for asylum seeking. You can only fight for your freedom. Any diplomatic work you are going, don't present asylum. How can a freedom fighting movement be presenting asylum instead of their freedom, meaning that their freedom is not important to them? That is why I tell you that this bunch of expelled criminals, former members of DOS, they are not freedom fighters. They are criminals, bunch of lunatics, crooks. Biafrans, once again, my name is MAP Ezioku Bondo. Stay tuned for more videos. All faces in Dotland.